Whoa.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating and you broke, boy, take a 6 seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping that big week.
Young boy on the beat.
All right, guys, so we got the Arrma Limitless out today, man. We finna get it in. We're gonna get us one quick pass in. So crank this GPS up. See what we got. Mode, speed. Let's clear it out. Record. All right, guys. Fire my baby up, man. My runs that I've been doing ain't been too good for me. I got 100 on my last run, so thank God for that. Man, we're just having fun with it, man. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna get this baby right. All right. All fired up. Put our pins in, and we're finna get ready to get it in, man. Nice little speed run. Alright, guys, let's get it in. I got too much steering too, man. I need to turn the steering down because it's too touchy. I'll do that in a minute. And I also believe that. Whoa. This thing is much faster. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's see how fast we went on that pass. I know we ain't go that fast on that one, man, but okay. I just felt a whole nother animal. 81. Test our motor, see how hot it is. Straight, ESC straight. You can bring out my heat gun next time. Let's get us another pass real quick and then we're done, man. This road has a lot of hills on it also, so if I can get this steering down, it'll keep going to the right. I can't see all the way out there now, come on. Yeah, see, it's going to moving to the right too much. Alright, see what we did on that one. You see a mosquito right there, yeah. Dang, mosquitoes are so bad out here. 77. I need to get the steering under control. For me crashing, my chassis got bent, so what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna start all over, man. I'm gonna get me a new chassis, and I'm gonna yeah, this thing ain't running straight. You're not finna crash on me today, baby. Not today. We just playing around today, baby. I love the way this thing sounds as it passed by. The thing sounds so wicked. Every time it passed by, it sounds like a turbine engine. That sound is killer, man. Shout out to my brother, Big Gap Reviews A to Z. Shout out to Tom Tracks. Shout out to y'all brothers, man. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Yeah. This thing gets loose, guys. Gets loose. Now, I see what certain people mean, like sometimes when they don't like to tear up their cars and stuff, man. They don't want to tear up their cars, man, playing all the time. Quite sure that thing hot now, so we're gonna, whoa, cool it down. Let's get that dirt off. Let's get that dirt off the tires and we're gonna bring it back home. The only thing is this got a bump back there and it has a hill back there. So it makes it hard to do a speed run. Now I noticed that back wheel is wobbling. That's not good. See, this is the things that I need to learn, man, when I'm doing speed runs. I swear, guys, I'm gonna take this thing and I'm gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna rebuild it how I want it. Exactly how I want it. And when I see, look at that. Look at that. I should have checked this before I even got out. No wonder I can't get no good pass. Look at that. That is way too loose. Way too loose. And this comes from me crashing. This chassis is bent down here. It is actually bent over here. I had to pull it back down because I learned that when I took this off to do the diffs. Tried to bend it back, but you know, it ain't never gonna be straight again from it being bent up like that. So man, I'm gonna rebuild this thing, get me a new front splitter, the top piece, because it's bent up, and so it's making it sit up too high right there. I don't like that. We're gonna get us a whole new body because I want to have one painted. We're gonna redo this Limitless, man. I'm gonna go holler at my brother Max Custom Designs. He got the sticker, the wheel stickers and stuff. So if you guys want any wheel stickers, go check him out. I have my brother sending me a carbon fiber wing. Carbon fiber wing. Look at all that dirt just from running on it, man. This thing collects so much dirt, guys. Yeah, but the Limitless is a great car, man. Definitely great car, especially with that TP kill mode setup. Oh man, it's a beast. It is a beast. So I have a 150C battery on here, so that's why I got some good bursts. And man, I just turned up the throttle. Thank you, Gap Reviews. Appreciate that knowledge, man. When I turned this remote up, man, this thing has some unbelievable power that I've been missing this whole time. So even my X-Max is on this remote control, and I'm getting ready to put my Mojave on this. So now I will know how to get the full power out of it. So thank you, bruh. Hey, make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Make sure y'all show some love, man. Tell him truboyzrc, his little brother, sent y'all over there. Man, he got some great content, so make sure y'all check him out. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.